In this video, I want to quickly compare the Bissell Little Green Pet Pro with the uwant Y100 in Cobalt Blue that I was just gifted. Now, this Bissell Pet Pro is at a higher price point. It is from a big name brand, and I have had this for years. I love this quite a bit. Now this uwant, of course, is brand new. I just tested it, but I have tested comparable models from uwant in the past. They are definitely a newer brand to the space, but they have been building their name for quite a while as well, and they are very focused on making high quality portable carpet cleaners at a more affordable price. Now, there's a few differences that I want to go through, and then I'm going to show you how well these two clean. With the Bissell Pet Pro, you have this main brush head accessory. When I first got this, it did come with some other options here, but they're just singular options, and I lost them along the way. And then it's a pretty standard cleaner. You have the scrubber. When you spray, it's going to spray underneath down onto the stain, and then it's going to suction through these top suction points right here, and you can pop off this top to clean this as needed. And when you want to clean its piping, it actually has a self-clean feature built into the accessory head. That's where it's at right now. And what that means is it will spray directly into the top and just kind of suction the cleaning fluid right through without anything dirty from the carpet or whatever you're cleaning going up through it. And then when you're using it as a cleaner, you're actually going to slide this to the spray option, and then it will spray outwards. Now the uwant also has a brush head scrubber. It's a little different in that when you spray, it actually sprays out this top head, so you're going to see the spray in front of it instead of behind it. No real pro or con to the two designs, just different ways to do it. This is also similar. It has the suction. You can remove the whole top piece. And then this actually comes with a scrub bristle that is reversible to what is more like a rubberized, almost silicone-like bristles that are great for anything with pet hair. So it captures the pet hair for you. It doesn't clog up the whole system. And if you're better at keeping track of the extra accessories than I am, this also comes with a softer brush head that you can put on here for anything that's a little more delicate. And then it actually has a self-clean accessory as well. You can take off the brush head, and then you can pop this right on. And then this has the same concept. When you spray, it's going to spray up and right back down the pipe. So really nice there if you can keep track of this. If not, don't worry about it. Another way to clean both of these devices that works really quite well is just to put them in a bucket of water and have it suck, and it will do a very fast suction for you to clean them up. Now, as for the tanks and the overall design, the uwant is much more slimline, very small, better for small spaces, apartments. If you need to fit this into your closet, maybe a tiny little corner, you might want to go with this one just for the size. It has a singular tank that holds the dirty and the clean water. And you can see on the side that it has two different max lines, and those are for those two different tanks that are in this. The clean water tank is actually sealed closed, and this you can put just water in, or you can do water and a cleaning concentrate. And then you have your dirty water tank, and this is what it's dumping all of everything it's suctioning up in. And so really straightforward there. And then the Bissell has huge tanks. This is your cleaning fluid tank, so you can definitely fill this all the way up. You have a lot to work with here. And then the dirty water tank is also enormous, has this massive lid. Lots going on here. Now, this is a bit of a tangent, but I do want to point this out as people do question this from time to time. As these tanks get really gross and dirty, they may get smelly. I try to keep mine aired out. I always try to keep all the tanks open when not in use and totally empty, so any excess liquid can dry out. But if it gets too gross, my favorite way to clean these and anything that's hard to clean like this is retainer cleaners, those tablets. If you get one box of those and just drop them in these with water and just let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, cleans it all right up for you. Now finally, these both do come with cleaners. The Bissell originally came with a small little test container of their Oxy spot and stain cleaner. This is one of my favorite cleaners Bissell makes. They make a lot of different cleaning concentrates depending on what you need and what you want. So you can definitely try a few. My only recommendation is to always look at the ones that say for a portable carpet cleaner on top, not the upright carpet cleaners. Now uwant also has a cleaning concentrate, but they actually provide a spray with this one. So this is a spray you could spray down beforehand and then just clean with water and suction, or add a concentrate as well. It does say you can actually add this as the concentrate too if you want to. But to keep this fair for my test, I'm actually going to use the Bissell cleaner concentrate in both of them. So we're really just testing for their suction and power on the cleaning heads. Let's put these to the test. Now I have my stain ready to go. It is coffee with mustard. So we got a little going on here. And before I run these to show you how the stain goes, I'm just gonna turn each one on for a moment so you can hear it. So here is the uwant. And here is the Bissell. They are both noisy. The uwant is a little noisier, but when it comes down to it, portable carpet cleaners are just loud. Let's see how well they do. Now I have done the exact same amount of cleaning on both sides. You can see that the way they spray means a slightly different cleaning process. The Bissell is always going to have a little more liquid behind it, and the uwant's always going to have a little more liquid ahead of it. Depending on which machine you get, you adapt to that very quickly. I would say that on the exact same amount of passes, very, very comparable. I can still see some mustard on both sides and some discoloration on these sections, so not perfect yet, but they both are going to get there. I just need to run them a little more. It is still moist on both sides. That is to be expected. They're always going to leave a lot of moisture on the upholstery or carpet you're cleaning, more than they suck back up. So just keep that in mind. The best thing to do is to run the suction a lot more once you have finished spraying everything. Once you have all the stains out, you'll just want to run over it a few more times with just the suction to get up as much moisture as possible. And the main goal is to get it to a point where it's going to air dry no problem. And both of these are just damp to the touch, and they would both air dry without issue. So I'm going to clean this up the rest of the way and wrap up this video. And there you go. I think these are pretty darn comparable in how well they clean. I will admit that the Bissell Pet Pro is my favorite portable carpet cleaner. It is much more expensive, and I do like the way it sprays just a little bit more, and I like its larger tanks. But when it came down to it, with the mess I put in front of these two, the uwant stood up beautifully. It is at a lower price, and it is a slimmer design. And again, it's coming from a great up-and-coming brand. So whether you're looking for tried and true, or you want to save a little and get something that's very sleek and more affordable, I think these are both really nice options, and that you'll be happy with either one. The uwant Y100 in Cobalt Blue, or the Bissell Little Green Pet Pro.